Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this makeup look, and it's the transitional color makeup look. It goes from green to red. If you want to know how to achieve this look, then keep on watching. So I want to start off with green in my inner corner and then yellow on the center of my eye and then red towards the outer corner of my eye to represent the lifespan of leaves and grass and basically anything green in nature when autumn hits. And so I am going to be using a round brush to apply it just because I want that soft look in the inner corner. So I'm going to use that instead of a flat brush. And I don't know the name of this palette, but I'm going to be using this green above this one right here. And I'm just going to have it in my inner corner going towards the middle, and then on the middle I'm going to have the yellow. While I'm at it, I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to put some, just as much as I did the green on top, I want to do the green below my eyes, on my lower lashes. And the same on the other side. Now you want to wipe off your brushes because you're going to be using the same ones. From the same palette, you want to go in with this one on the center of your eye. Then you want to do the yellow on the middle part of your lower lashes. Wipe off the brushes again. Then I want to do red in the outer corners of my eye, and I'm going to be using the makeup palette, the eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution, and I'm going to be using the shade Mars, this one, and the same brush, the round one from before. want to do is I want to blend the colors together a little bit. Not, you want it to be definition between the colors so that you can see that it's green, you can see that it's yellow, you can see that it's red, but you don't want any super harsh line. And so I'm just going to go in with my Essence eye blender brush, and it looks like this. And I'm just going to be blending. Now that that is all nice and blended, I want to put on a winged eyeliner. So I'm going to be using Dipliner ink by H&M. It's my favorite affordable one. So it looks like that one. Then I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. And then I'm gonna be putting on mascara. So I'm gonna be using the Colossal by Maybelline, and it looks like this. Then to finish it off, I'm just gonna brighten my inner corners. So I'm gonna be using Eyeshadow palette by H&M, and I'm gonna be using this one. And I'm gonna take just a really small brush. And then I'm just gonna set it with Makeup Revolution London's Sport Fix, and it looks like this. So this is the finished look. This is what it looks like. And if you like the video, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or any comments, then leave them down below. If you want more content like this, then please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I post a new video. And I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!